What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Shiba Inu as well as Floki and Dogecoin in this afternoon's episode. This morning, we made a video talking about the major cryptocurrencies starting to correct to the downside here. You can see just a few days ago, or actually, sorry, yesterday, we were forming these kind of bull flag formations, descending fractals here, and we were kind of on the fence as to which direction they were going to be moving to. More so, we anticipated a dip, and that's actually what happened. So the dip actually continued to pan out overnight and into this morning here. And now we have to look at these other cryptos because, as you know, we've been tracking what appeared to be kind of symmetrical triangles or technical indicators on most of the altcoins, the meme coins specifically, which we'll go over in today's video, and how we're kind of running out of time, and a decision kind of needed to be made very soon for these cryptos if we wanted to see some sort of movement. And I think we did see it. You can start to see a lot of these cryptos are starting to dip lower here. Shiba Inu is starting to dip below its symmetrical triangle, also below its floor, which is a big sign of potential swings to the downside here. I want to update you guys on that. Floki Inu has closed below its price floor over here as well. Another huge sign of potential correction here. We have Dogecoin doing the same thing, potential correction, closing below its ascending fractal here. So lots of important things to go over and discuss in today's episode. The possibilities of shorts, the possibilities of how low will we fall, all will be answered, or I will try to answer in today's episode. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. Super quick, guys. Remember, tomorrow is going to be the last day as well. Well, we're doing this giveaway here for an Amazon gift card giveaway on the BidFi exchange. We're giving away merchandise too. The drawing is this Sunday, so stay tuned. There's only tomorrow left, and then the drawing is Sunday morning, so stay tuned for that. All you need to do to enter to win this Amazon gift card as well as BidFi merch is literally comment your favorite crypto down in the comment section below, as well as subscribe to the channel, because if you don't subscribe, I'm going to pick somebody else, as I will be checking. So do those two things. Comment your favorite crypto down below, XRP, Solana, Doge, Shiba, whatever it is, as well as sub to the channel, and you'll get that drawing. And the last announcement here is BidFi is still doing their $200 giveaway here for free. All you got to do is deposit crypto into the account. More information is on the link down in the description below. But I also spoke to BidFi, and because you guys are big Shiba holders, I'm going to try to get them to do some sort of prize pool or giveaway for Shiba Inu tokens. I think you guys would like that. So I am talking to them, and hopefully soon they'll get back to me with a new campaign, because I know you guys, I figured you guys would like that too. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Anywho, diving into the technical analysis here, lots of these cryptos are starting their descent, and this makes sense to me, and I'm going to explain why. You can see current coin market cap is actually down 4.8%, almost at 2.5 trillion. We fell about 2 points on the Fear and Greed Index, down to 89 here. You can see 5.1%. The past 24 hours on Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum is down 4.6. Now let's look at, I don't even know what word that was. Shiba Inu is down 10.8. I was going to say now and let's and combine the word. It's down 10.8%, 23% for the past week here. We have, let's pull up Floki. We have Floki actually up for the week, but down 7%. And then let's look at Doge. Here we go. Doge is down 9.4. So all these major Doge meme coins are actually starting their tumble and their descent. Pepe is down 9% too. A lot of these altcoins are starting their descent to the downside here, and this makes sense. We've been tracking on Shiba for a while now, some sort of descending triangle, some sort of symmetrical triangle, something filling in the gap, and a decision needed to be made here. As I said, there's a good chance we'd see the breakout early. That's typically what happens. We don't usually fill all the way into here. We typically tend to break out a bit earlier here sometimes, and you can see it's kind of doing that right now. More so beyond that, because we started to trend below here, not only did we close below support right here, we then closed below support right here. Another indication of the direction that Shiba wants to move to. And if I jump to the daily, things start to get a bit wonky here. And this is where you guys really need to, start to listen up and listen closely. You can see at a peak, we were trading at 95, the highest I've seen on the relative strength indicator on any crypto. And you can see we've now pulled down to about 57, which is cool. There's nothing wrong with that. The problem is if we close, and here's the giveaway, you can clearly tell there's a downtrend here. We might even be able to transition this. There's a good chance we could even be starting some sort of descending fractal. So so I am going to change this as well. It's quite peculiar. It's quite interesting, although I do suspect that we are going to be in a downwards trend. It does open some doors. I want to leave the uptrend here, but I'm going to delete it for right now because of just kind of how this is plummeting. You can already tell on the daily charts, and this is for my conservative traders, so this is something I would trade. The reason we're looking at this on the daily chart is because the hourly, the 4-hour are extremely aggressive, and they make trading very difficult. But long term, we get a general scope and view of the markets right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, they're all starting to descend lower. If that happens and continues to happen, the meme coins without a doubt will head lower too. You can see after this major pump to the upside, correction is necessary here. What's nice is it's forming into some sort of bull flag, which is good. That means at the end of this, we don't know when that could be. That could be here, that could be here, that could be all the way down here. At the end of it, we do typically break out. We just don't know when that breakout is going to occur. More so, what we do know is potential movements downwards here. This means we are in a projected downwards trend, which opens up short opportunities, which I want to tell you guys about in a minute. Now, if we close below these supports here, I would expect to see a drop. We don't know if this support is solid yet because of the floor that we've hit. If I jump to the 4-hour, can we solidify this? A little bit here. There's just not enough supports retested. There's only about 2 confirmations, which means this bottom floor, the support is not that strong and it's capable of breaking through it. But ideally, simply put, we close below this area on the daily or 4-hour, I would expect to see a big sell-off and a big dump on here down to moving average, as you can clearly tell. If we close below this, correction to the downside, although I don't think it's going to happen. I think what would happen is we trickle up like that. So I could see us rebounding off this, holding support as we did, closing here, and eventually heading back up. But this is slowly transforming itself outside of a descending triangle, outside of a symmetrical triangle, and into something much bigger, which also means, and this is good, that we're not in a bear market. You know, there's a good chance this bull flag could end and result in a pump to the upside here, which is awesome. Now, the best part is BidFi offers Shiba Inu to leverage trade, and not many people know that. But if you click right here and you type in SHIB, we have 1,000 SHIB USDT. What that means is you can see we're trading at 0.029 instead of Shiba, which is 0.00029. So it's 1,000th of a SHIB. It just makes it easier to read here for you guys that need some understanding here. But what's starting to form is potentially some sort of, we had originally thought it was a descending triangle. We wanted it to be, but then things start to change and we start to form, symmetrical triangle. Things are starting to become, it's tough. I don't know. It's very tough. Like this also shows symmetrical triangle and we broke down from it. Clear as day right here, breaking down. But now it's almost leading into a bull flag, which could also open up doors where we could continue to head lower for a little bit. You can see right here, and this is tough because I'm really trying to analyze this. We fall into the 99-day moving average. There's a good chance we're not going to break through this, and that will rebound up and continue to pan out like that. So there might be opportunities to long SHIB in the very near future. Now, the best part about BidFi is besides the $200 giveaway they're doing, they also have welcome rewards and a demo trading account. So you can earn $2,888 in free rewards by completing the tasks right over here. You just literally sign up with the link down in the description and jump onto here, and you'd be able to earn some free crypto that you could then trade Shiba Inu with. Also, they have a demo account with Doge and a lot of other major blue chip cryptocurrencies that you guys can leverage trade as well. Practice your skills because they give you simulated $50,000 in like Monopoly money to test your skills, practice your trades, and then you can trade with real crypto. So I like that they offer that as well. But anywho, correction is forming. I wouldn't be surprised if Floki pulls all the way back down to support here and then we head back up. I'm going to leave it like this just for reference here, but you can see with the confirmation closure below this price floor, it is clear as day prices are going to be heading back down to 0.0023146 around that area here. So short opportunities, long-term holds with low leverage is definitely the way to go with the markets moving right now. There's a good chance a lot of these are going to start to dip. Same thing with Doge too, and there's a good chance if I zoom out, and I don't want to scare anyone, but this clearly shows some sort of rejection up top here. And if this don't hold, we could obviously start drawing in some sort of price floor if you want. But if this don't hold, there's a good chance it's going to be pulling back down a moving average because of how overextended we are. So keep that in the back of your head. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.